Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're bringing you not just a collectible figurine but a glimpse into time, a heartwarming story. This moment is like opening a magical gift box, unveiling the exquisite beauty of a cherished moments. This figurine carries an endless purity of beauty, handcrafted by an artist's inspiration and devotion. Every detail sparkles with emotion and artistry. The gaze between the girl and the puppy conveys a profound connection, a language beyond words, just like the moments we share with you. A mother and her child, sitting together, sharing a precious moment. This is a masterpiece hand-carved by an artist, with each detail carrying emotion and care. It adorns homes, makes for a precious gift, and witnesses the cherished moments in your life. Now, seize the opportunity to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future precious moments. Cherished moments, because every moment is worth treasuring, and in our eyes, each of your moments is a unique gem.